الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام ويوم نحشرهم جميعا ثم نقول للذين أشركوا أين شركاؤكم الذين كنتم تزعمون. Translation. And on the day we gather them all, we shall say to those who associated others with Allah, where are now those whom you used to claim as partners of Allah? In the day of judgment, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask these polytheists who have made these false gods, and they claim that these false gods has association with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, na'uzu billah. So when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask them where are these false gods, they will not have any appropriate answer. In the life, the polytheists used to make big claims about those false gods and idols and shuraka, but they have no credibility, no authority, and they cannot do anything, and they will not be able to answer their worshippers. All those people who worship any other god other than Allah have false claims, and they have pride in their sin of shirk. However, that pride and those claims will absolutely and completely disappear in the day of judgment. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and help us understand the ayahs of Quran in this word and give us the vision to understand the reality of shirk. Ameen. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.